Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how to make these super easy bubblegum flavoured bath bombs, then stay tuned. They make really great flavours for occasions such as baby showers, and that's why I'll be making mine today. Ingredients are as follows. You will need your sodium bicarbonate, also known as your baking powder, corn flour, which you can get on Amazon. All my ingredients here I pretty much got on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. You will need some citric acid, and you will need some food colouring or some kind of colouring to colour your bath bombs if you choose to. Next up, an oil of your choice. I chose sweet almond oil. A lot of people choose coconut oil, but it doesn't really agree with my skin. Basically, you want to choose an oil that is lightweight so that your bath bombs don't get weighed down and just sink to the bottom. And lastly, of course, you need your essential oil, which will be used to fragrance your bath bombs, have them smelling all good. In this case, we'll be using bubblegum flavour. So let's get started. So I'm using two separate bowls because I'll be doing two separate colours. I'm going to start off with my dry ingredients. So first up, you want to put 1 cup of sodium bicarbonate into each bowl. Then we're going to put half a cup of corn flour. This just helps the bath bomb to stick together. Then I'm just going to use an electric whisk to mix them together so it's evenly distributed. You might want to wear a mask or just cover up your face and nose so you don't breathe it all in. And maybe probably put some newspaper down so it doesn't go all over the surface that you're working on. But if you want to avoid all that mess, then just use a spoon or a fork to mix it. Time was of the essence, so I was trying to get it done quickly. I won't be adding my citric acid just yet because I don't want it to react, so I'll always add that last. So we'll move on to doing our wet ingredients. So again, you want to use 2 different jars if you're doing 2 different colours, and I poured about 4 to 5 tablespoons of the almond oil, followed by about 6 tablespoons of water in each jar, and then I add a few drops of colouring only to one of the jars. Lastly, I'm going to add a few drops of the essential oils into each jar and then mix it up. So now you want to slowly combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients, but as I said before, the citric acid is not in it just yet, so it shouldn't react. I did actually go back to using the electric whisk because it's just quicker, faster and easier for me to do, and this is how they turned out. Alright, you might as well get your moulds ready now because you don't want your ingredients to dry out, especially once you put the citric acid in. Alright, so here we put half a cup of citric acid into each mixture. This is where you actually do need to be quicker to mix it all together because this is when it can react. Once it is mixed, it should feel like damp sand and should be able to clump together if you press it in your hand. And then you want to literally start quickly filling up your moulds, alternating on colours. So you might want to put some blue and then some white, and then lightly compact them together. And voila, here we have our bath bombs. I actually left them in the moulds and gave them away like that, and they do actually dry in the moulds. Just to show you guys that it does work, I took one out and put it in the water for you guys to see, and it smells really great. Because I made quite a lot of them, my whole living room was smelling like bubblegum. Anyway guys, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, let me know. Also, if you try it out, put your comments in the comments below, and see you guys in my next video hopefully. Bye.